Have you ever used a product thinking it was helping your skin only to realize later it was doing the opposite? That was me with facial oils. I thought they were hydrating, nourishing, and the ultimate way to get glowing skin. But in reality, my skin became drier, more dehydrated, and I couldn't figure out why until I discovered the science behind it. And then I completely removed facial oils from my routine. Let me explain why. For years, I kept hearing how natural oils were amazing for your skin. Social media, beauty gurus, even skincare brands kept saying oils lock in moisture and feed the skin. So I started using them every night, thinking I was doing something great for my skin and very natural, of course. And for a while, it seemed okay. My skin felt soft, and I loved that dewy finish. But then things changed. I started noticing dryness around my nose and my cheeks. No matter how much oil I applied on my skin still felt tight and very dry. I thought maybe I need even more oil, so I laid it on. But instead of fixing my problem, my skin felt even worse. It was very confusing. How could something that's supposed to be moisturizing make my skin feel so dry? I kept tweaking my routine, switching up between different types of oils. I tried applying them on damp skin, mixing them with moisturizer, even using different layering techniques. Some oils felt richer, others absorbed quickly. But in the end, none of them actually fixed the dryness near my nose and my cheeks. It was frustrating because I thought I was following the right advice. Then I came across a video that changed everything. So here's the thing. Our skin has a natural protective barrier made of lipids. Think of these lipids as a glue that holds our skin cells together and keeps moisture inside. But oils, especially in high amounts, can actually break down this barrier. They dissolve these natural lipids, weakening the skin ability to retain water. So while oils make feel like they're hydrating, they can actually speed up the process of moisture loss. Even worse, if you're using oils without proper hydration underneath, like without a toner or water-based serum, our skin isn't actually getting the moisture it needs. It's just getting a layer of oil sitting on the top of our skin. And that's exactly what was happening to me. I was skipping the most important part, real hydration. Once I learned this, I made one simple change. I stopped using oils as a daily moisturizer. Instead, I focused on true hydration. Now I use a hydrating toner followed by a lightweight moisturizer that seals everything in. And guess what? My skin has never been happier. It finally feels hydrated, smooth and balanced. So if you've been struggling with dehydrated skin and you're relying on oils to fix it, try switching things up. Focus on hydration first, then seal it with a moisturizer, not just oil. Your skin will thank you. And let me know in the comments, have you ever made this mistake? And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful skincare and makeup videos. See you next time!